Hi, my name is John, and I've been RVing for over 40 years. 15 tips before hitting the road. Load heavier items towards the front for balance. Ensure the 7-way pin is secure if you're towing. Check tire pressure before hitting the road. Have a tire pressuring monitor system and an air compressor for flat tires. Always keep at least 5 or 10 gallons of water in your tank. This allows you to use the bathroom, wash your hands, and handle emergencies on the road. 5 or 10 gallons doesn't weigh down your RV. It provides a reserve in case of a need. To keep your black tank clean, partially refill it after dumping. After the initial black tank dump, residue always remains. Gas up beforehand. If you need to gas up while towing or driving a Class A RV, stop at truck stops for higher clearance. Most truck stops are diesel, so if you need gas, find RV gas pumps away from diesel pumps. Know your rig's height. Know your RV's electrical system. Research the difference between 50 amp and 30 amp. Know your fuse boxes and GFCI outlets. For electric hookups, use a 30 amp or 50 amp extension cord and a 30 or 50 amp surge protector, and carry extra connections. Deadbolt your door on travel day. Know your slide lanes. Choose a good leveling spot. Ensure enough space for your slides before starting to open and close them. Add pool noodles to slide edges for safety. Slide outs can be dangerous for children and pets. Carry a basic toolkit. You never know when you'll need it. Always have water hoses with a filter and a pressure regulator for high pressure protection. Ensure you carry enough sewer hoses. Use gloves and appropriate hookups and adapters to support. Do that one more time. Take a break. Ensure you carry enough sewer hoses. Use gloves and appropriate hookups, adapters, and a support to keep the hose off the ground during sewer setup. Properly handle and clean your sewer hose. After sewer work, sanitize and wash your hands thoroughly. Turn off city water connections when not in use to avoid flooding. Run your furnace with windows open for the first time due to burning particles. If you found these tips valuable, then please hit the subscribe button and show some love with a like. And that's how you can take your camping experience to the next level.